Hello, lovely people, welcome again. So, I have put a face mask on.
So I just got done filming my dance video. Now today is the day, that is the wedding day. So since you are following the US timings, it all starts at the night. And since it's night over here, I feel like wearing something very blingy. So my today's outfit is very blingy and I'll show you in a while what I'm wearing. I still have to do the makeup. The makeup on me is currently because I shot a dance video. So yeah, it's blingy and suits the night. So I'm gonna be wearing this. It's a gown. So catch me up. Hi. So prepping the skin, I'll start with applying this. So I actually use this pure Vetiver water from Kama, and I love it because it just seeps in my skin. So I apply this. Let it get air dried, or sometimes I even sort of just rub it through inside my skin. So if you're wondering where I'm looking at the mirror, which is right in front of me. Then I take little moisturizer and I apply it all over my skin. So I use a vitamin C serum from Mama Earth. I'm not a big fan of the product because honestly, it hasn't done anything that it says, but it's a light moisturizer and that's what I like. So I use it since it says vitamin C, but I'm not sure of the how much quantity of vitamin C is there in it. I'm using so I'm just letting it settle for a while. I'll be using a foundation which is from Avon. I just got it as a gift, so I use this. I have no particular preference in foundation, but I love Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. I think it's so blendable and it's so good. So I just mix the two because uh, the gifted one doesn't suit my shade. So kind of like the darker shade and the lighter. So if you can see, I just kind of mix it and I'll apply. I know a lot of people love the use of sponge, but honestly, I'm not a big fan. I love fingertips when it comes to foundation, or I'll use sponge sometimes when I'm in the mood of it. Right now, मैं बहुत हरी में हूँ, मैं बहुत last minute ready हो रही हूँ, तो मैं अभी ऐसे ही I'll just apply the foundation. I'll apply it over my neck and I'll just blend it. I know your techniques, but and I have realized that I give myself a massage while I'm blending in foundation, which is also good actually. Kind of looks like a white wash. I think I've applied too much foundation. So here's a hack if you've applied like too much foundation. So what I usually do is I just take a piece of white and I spritz my mist and then I just go along with it. So it just takes off all of the excess foundation I think I've applied because I don't want to thopo myself and look whitewash. So see, it just comes off. Gross, I know, but it just comes off. So this is my base. I'm thinking whether I should apply a compact or not. I don't think so. It's doing anything for me in the kind of weather we are at. But I'll apply a compact. So I use the general Maybelline. I don't know when I'm gonna finish it. सब साइड का ही बचा है, बीच का सब कंप्लीट हो चुका है. Oh, yes. So today I want to do one more step. That's doing my brows. So I use this brows by Bro Chica Wow from Nykaa. So I don't do brows because I have dark brows naturally. So I'll just line it very slightly. I start with the beginning and just do it here and a little there. So, most of the times there's a lot of product left in the spoolie itself. So, do you see a difference? Yeah, this side is more defined. So, you'll make out the difference when you're taking pictures or in the videos and everything. Not much of a difference in person. It looks a little out there if you're not used to sort of doing your brows. Okay, I forgot a brush. So, yeah, my brush and my compact. I will just wash it off my face, the entire face. So, what is your preference like after compact? Do you all prefer like a lot of blush or you all prefer little bit of blush? I have a new blush with me today, so I always wanted to actually use the Lakme's 9 to 5 Mousse, which is a lip and cheek color, as a blush. So this is in the shade Blush Velvet, and I always use it as a lip color because I love how neutral it is. So if you all can tell, it's a very nice pink shade. So I just wanted to use it as a blush. Okay, I think that's gonna be too much. So I'll just smudge it off with my fingers. Oh, it's such a nice color. I don't know why I haven't used it as a blush as yet. My god, I was looking for a new blush. I've just found my go-to product now. And it blends like magic, like nothing's left. ये lips पे कैसे टिकता होगा यार? I have a question on that. So I like the blush, a little pinkish thing going on. And post that, now I think, so I like cold eye looks, but today I don't want to go for that. And I'm just thinking of doing my lids now. So, as usual, I have this Nika's eyeshadow palette with me. I'm very obsessed with this eyeshadow palette because, like, the shades in here are so versatile. So, basically, I'm wearing an orange outfit today. So, I'll do a black transition shade. So, you all can see the payoff. It's so bloody well. Like my entire lid is covered with this brown color. I'll do it on the other side as well. I hope y'all can see it because I've really kept the camera on a weird angle. My god, I'm loving it. Okay, so I've pretty much covered my entire lid with it because there was so much product. So okay, I'll just go with my entire lid. I'm very happy with the way it's looking, so I don't mind. I'll just take another crease color. So, since you all know that I use my fingers for applying the glittery color on the part, I want to apply a little orange today. I don't know if it'll stand out in the brown. Let's see. I'll try applying. I'll apply it in this mirror and I'll show you all. No, it's not standing out. It's not doing anything great. But okay, it gives a pop. It gives a pop of shade. I'll just try half maybe. Can you all see? A pop of shade. Okay, okay, I've spilled it all over my lid. Not very so professional. See, I can be a mess sometimes. Most of the times. I'll wipe it off. I don't think so. The orange did anything to my lids. Can you actually see the orange? I think this angle is better. I'm actually getting to see the colors. Okay, I like this shade of orange from here. So let's see. Placing all back. I'm so sorry for the weird camera angle. My stand, I'm unable to find it, and I'm in such a hurry. Lip color. I am going to very basic red lips for all of these days. So what I'm planning today is I'll go with wine color because, okay, honestly, I love wine color. And I think dark colors suit you well. This is a lipstick from Color Bar. Remember, staring at her. Okay, I want everybody staring at me. Can you see the color? I don't know. It's not popping on the camera. Oh, it looks well. Now it's there. Instantly when I apply a lipstick now, my entire looks get so changed that I become so happy. I'll apply an eyeliner because otherwise it's just looking so dull. Um, should I go for a wing? मेरा wing ना कभी भी proper लगता नहीं है अभी तक. I'll just try normal. Good. Good thick eyeliner. Very happy with it. By the way, this is a sketch pen eyeliner from Blue Heaven. Okay, so sorry. I am sure आपको दिखा नहीं होगा. Eyeliner done, brows done, lip color done, lipstick done. I don't want to do anything. I don't want to go over. I think this is it. I'm not even wearing earrings because honestly my outfit is like neck pack. We are anyway sitting online. तो मैं इतना मश नहीं करने वाली. I'm happy with my look. Now I'll change into my outfit and I'll show you all how it looks. Oh, I've ruined my eyeliner over here. I'll fix this and I'll get back to you when I change into my clothes. Hello guys, so I'm ready for the D-Day. I've not done anything to my hair. I want to leave it as it is because ऐसे भी बहुत गर्मी है. So I'm carrying a scrunchie. मैं अपने बाल बांध लूँगी. So this is my outfit. This is what I'm wearing.
So this is how online we all got connected and carried out the function. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay subscribed. Bye guys.